Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm taking on a highly anticipated project, building an incredibly simple free energy generator. Don't blink and stay with me to witness the entire transformation, from basic parts to a fully functional machine. To kick things off, I'm drilling a precision hole through the tube cap. This is where I'll integrate the mini diaphragm pump, which serves as a core component for the machine's mechanism. Following that, I'm going to screw the mini diaphragm pump securely onto the wooden base. This step is crucial to ensure maximum stability and minimize vibrations once the generator starts running. Next, I will attach two medium-sized magnets to the tube section, positioned right at the head of the mini diaphragm. This setup is designed to leverage the magnetic field interaction, which is key to triggering the machine's motion. Now for the crucial part. I'm adding two large-sized magnets on both sides of the initial pair. This symmetrical arrangement creates a powerful magnetic repulsion, which is vital for accelerating the motion and maximizing the generator's power output. Now, I'm going to design the power output system. This step allows us to harness and convert the generated energy into usable electricity for our external devices. You have just witnessed the live test with the LED bulb. Now, to enhance the device's versatility, I'm going to install a standard power socket with a plug connector. This integration makes it much easier to power various peripheral devices and other household electronics. following all our fabrication efforts, I invite you to join me as we activate and witness the device's operational capabilities in a real-world setting. That wraps up today's product. Thank you for watching the whole video. If you enjoyed it, please give us a like and subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to turn on notifications so you won't miss our latest videos.